Trying to let you know. 사인을 보내, signal 보내.
Hi everyone, it's me again, and I'm sorry if the way I look. I've been baking all morning. I got work this afternoon, so this is the best you're gonna get me. Today I'm doing part 2 of my Canadian swap. It's arrived and I can't wait. It's been sat on my sofa for the last 5 days. I've been so busy that I haven't had time to actually open it and see what's inside, so let's get into it. Oh, so exciting. Right, frills. It still tastes like soap. It still tastes like soap. Are these gums? Gum? It still tastes like soap. Is this soap? Gum? It does say gum on there. I'll have a try. I like gum, so yash. And then I got gold coins. Everybody loves gold coins. Usually we get them for Christmas. We used to get them in our stocking at Christmas time. Bounty, my husband's favourite chocolate, so I'll probably give this to him. A toffee crisp. I had one in my last swap, the first part of this one, and it was amazing, so I can't wait for this one. It's the macchiato caramel one. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but the macchiato caramel one, which that looks amazing. Crunch, I love crunch, so yum 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 yum. Can't wait for that. Gosh, the second one is amazing. Fudge and peanut butter. Oh, that sounds amazing. Oh, thank you. And then real bubbly milk chocolate. Ooh, that looks cool as well. Thank you. Gosh. And then there's loads of maple chocolate. They smell amazing, or something smells amazing in this package. Crispy crunch, that looks amazing as well. Your bars are so big, but there's like 2 in a packet, which is good, so me and my husband can have some. White Kit Kat. I love chocolate, any chocolate, dark, white, normal, I love it. So yeah, and then another little bar of chocolate there, and then a package. This is the real deal. We put this stuff on everything here in Canada. Jokes, but I use it a lot. Let's get my scissors. Sorry, I didn't get my scissors beforehand. So yeah, still loving this washi tape, the robots. That is quite cool. Girl, you wrap these so good. No wonder it cost you loads to send this over. My mum and dad are going to, hopefully it's not leaked, going to Canada and America in 4 weeks time, 3 weeks time, something like that. So I'm going to eat these, and if I like anything, be like, can you bring me some more back, please? This is so cute. Come on, open. Now, how can I eat this when it looks this amazing? It is Canadian maple syrup. And look at this bottle. How can I eat, or, well, yeah, eat this? It is too cute. But I do really want to try it though. I might have to make some pancakes and put it on pancakes. I don't know what smells so nice, but yeah, this is such a pretty bottle. I'm keeping the bottle afterwards. I don't care. The bottle is going in my kitchen. That would be a nice little addition to my kitchen. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing swap. You went way over and I can't believe it. Amazing part 2. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And till next time, bye.